I wish to narrate one short story that one man, one boy, was attracted by a beautiful girl. So, the girl does not agree and the boy is persistent. So, in India, of course, the girls, they keep their chastity very strictly. So, the girl was not agreeing, so she said, all right, I agree, after 1 week, you come. You see, appointed, such and such time you come. So the boy was very glad. And the girl took some pargati throughout the 7 days. And she was passing stool day and night and vomiting. And she kept all these vomits and stool in a nice pot. So when the appointed time came, the boy came and the girl was sitting on the door. The boy inquired, where is that girl? She said, I am that girl. No, you are not. You are so ugly. She was so beautiful. You are not that girl. No, I am that girl. But I have now separated my beauty in a different pot. What is that? She saw, this is the beauty, this stool and vomit. This is the ingredient. Actually, anyone may be very robust or very beautiful. If he passes stool for 3 or 4 times, everything changes immediately. So my point is that, as stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam, that this bodily concept of life is not very sanguine.